Happy Friday. Mayor Dan Pope with a weekly update. We've had a busy week. Let's look back at the city council meeting to start with. So on Tuesday evening, we got a report from Lubbock PD, sort of a look back at 2020, as well as look forward at 2021. I hope you'll go onto the city's website and watch that video on demand. It's very well done, lots of information, good discussion. Chief Mitchell and his team laid out how they're going to staff for the substations, which will be opening this year. So good report there. We also got an update on the Unified Development Code and our efforts towards rewriting that. We've slowed that down just a little bit to make sure we get the proper citizen input with a little bit of a pandemic impact, but we'll get finished with that by mid-year. And you also can follow the conversation on that if you'd like to see that also. Then we did a COVID update. Just where we are. We talked a lot about vaccines, more on that in a few minutes. Talked a little bit about our CARES dollars, just the different things that we're doing to respond to the pandemic in Lubbock. So very good meeting. It was really good to get back to work. It's a little bit bittersweet that we celebrate Martin Luther King Jr.'s weekend this weekend, but we're not going to get together for those celebrations that are so much a part of our community, and it's just another one that we've had to postpone for a year. But they're going to do it virtually today. I'm participating this weekend, and go to the news sites for information. There's an article in today's AJ about it too. I want to talk about vaccine clinics for a minute. I've heard from many of you this week, and I know that some of you hadn't been scheduled yet, but we're making progress on that every week. We announced this morning that we'll do 5,000 more next week. And that registration is open. But I got an email from a citizen. I just wanted to read this to you. It's a lady that I don't know, but she took the time to write. She said, "Dear Mayor Pope, I received my initial COVID-19 vaccination Tuesday, January 12th. I was a little apprehensive about the length of time I might have to wait in line. I was pleasantly surprised at the efficiency of all the staff involved in administering the vaccine, and that I was happy to receive. I've never seen such a coordinated effort in accomplishing something like this. I had no," emphasis added because she added it, "wait time. I entered the Civic Center at 2:10 p.m. and left at 2:35 p.m. And then she goes on to credit me and and the others who were involved in this coordinated effort. Our health department's got it done a wonderful job. Lubbock Fire and Rescue's helped out. City employees. Yesterday we had a number of the Health Science Center folks there, including med students. It was a remarkable effort yesterday. The citizen closes her letter by saying, hopefully Lubbock and America will be COVID-free soon. That's the goal, and I thought you'd like to hear this. Let's talk a little bit about what's in front of us next week. We're going to have next Wednesday morning. We're having coffee with the mayor. We're going to do it virtually. It'll be a little different. We'll do it online. You can go to the city website for information. You also can go to citizen comments at mylubbock.us if you have a question you'd like for me to answer. We'll gather a bunch of questions beforehand, and then maybe even have a chance for a few questions online while we're doing the coffee. But next Wednesday morning, that's I guess the 20th. Okay, Tech basketball, huge win in Austin this week. We always enjoy those. We're looking forward to tomorrow afternoon when the Baylor Bears come to town. The number 2 ranked Baylor Bears should be a fantastic game. It'll be a lot of fun. I know that not all of us get to go, but we all can watch it at home and cheer, or maybe even find a local establishment where you can safely gather and support a local business and cheer for the Red Raiders, all right? I'm thankful for your good ideas, your prayers, your support, your encouragement. Get the vaccine. Stay safe. Be hopeful. I'll talk to you next week.